Hello, I'm Tim Jones, owner of Accelerate Computer Training. In this series of videos, I will teach you how to use Microsoft Word 365 for Windows or Mac to produce long documents, anything that needs numbered headings, in a way that lets you easily rearrange and reformat anytime. Here are the steps I recommend. And in this video, we'll be covering Step 1, use the built-in styles, especially the heading styles. A style is a named collection of formatting attributes. Each document comes with many styles built in. To apply a style to the current paragraph, just click it on the mini toolbar, or in the Quick Styles gallery, or better still, show the Styles window and dock it to the side of the window. Certain styles, like headings 1 through 9, serve other features in Microsoft Word. For instance, the navigation pane includes the Headings tab that lists heading-styled paragraphs and lets you move quickly within a document. Outline View, too, relies on the heading styles and makes it easy to promote and demote headings by dragging. These were all normal paragraphs to start, but dragging left or right applies that heading style. You can even create new paragraphs in Outline View by pressing the Enter key. Press the Tab key to demote it to a lower heading level, or hold Shift while pressing Tab to promote to a higher level. Collapse a heading with a double click, or collapse all headings to any level, which makes rearranging chapters fast and accurate. To show all text again, choose Show All Levels. The indentations shown in Outline View are not real. Print Layout View is the only true what you see is what you get view. You may not like the look the built-in styles create, but that's okay, you can change them. As you see, style sets redefine the built-in styles to have different formatting attributes. Notice how some headings are separated from their next paragraph by a page break? We should never allow that. Also, chapter titles do not begin on a new page. These are formatting issues, easily solved, and we won't have to find and select each occurrence manually. Just select one of the instances to see which style it uses, and modify that style. This style is based on the style called normal, so it inherits normal's formatting attributes and then adds its own. If there is a formatting attribute defined in normal, like font face or font size, that we don't override here, this style inherits it. Later, if we change normal to use a different font face, not only will all the normal paragraphs change, but all the paragraphs of this style will also change. With less effort, we get greater impact. The Format menu lists the formats we can include in this type of style. In the Paragraph dialog box, we can make Heading 1 paragraphs stick to the next paragraph and put a page break before them. Behold, Heading 1 paragraphs, our chapter titles, are all at the tops of new pages. But we see that our Heading 2 and 3 paragraphs did not inherit the Keep with Next Paragraph attribute. Let's modify Heading 2 to inherit from Heading 1. But the font color needs to be darker, and all caps. And we don't want Heading 2s starting new pages, so we'll turn off Page Break Before, and add 24 points spacing above. In the same way, I'll set Heading 3 to be based on Heading 2. Applying heading styles in your documents lets you take advantage of the navigation pane, Outline View, automatic tables of contents, and automatic multi-level numbered lists, which I will cover in the next video in this series. Click subscribe if you'd like to be notified when we release new videos, and visit our website, acceleratecomputertraining.com, if you're looking for live, hands-on small group training for yourself or your team over Zoom, taught by me or one of our other experienced instructors.